you, Anders, for the introduction again, and also thank you, Magnus, for an excellent presentation.
Okay, thank you.
I also want to thank the Finnish Aeronautical Association for giving Saab the opportunity to participate in this great tradition that the Finnish air shows has developed into. And I'm very pleased that Saab is represented in Kauhava today with our two latest systems, the fighter jet Gripen E and our airborne early warning and control solution Globaleye. As you know, Saab has a long history building world-class fighter aircrafts, and since 1937 we have delivered more than 4,000 aircrafts serving in air forces in many countries. Our very origins are rooted in ensuring that national sovereignty is well defended. And we remain aware of that countries depend on Saab and our products to maintain their security and keep them safe. And we do this through our commitment to them for the long term, and by doing what we do in a smarter and more efficient way. Over time, as you've heard, we've expanded our product portfolio, and we are now one of few defense industries with a true broad offering covering all three domains, air, land and sea. And Saab has a long history in Finland, and we are committed, of course, to an even longer future together now. And we are proud to supply the Finnish Navy with a new lightweight torpedo 47 and advanced combat systems for the Squadron 2000 and the Squadron 2020 programs. And as mentioned, Saab's technology center in Tampere, with more than 30 engineers with world-class competence, is an integral part of our global product development in areas such as electronic warfare, which is a core area to Saab.
Yeah, doing good.
Today we present additional features, as you've heard, to the Gripen EF offering to the Finnish HX program in the electronic warfare area. And among others, the fighter jet will now be equipped with an advanced standing jamming capability and with a new decoy missile system, which is a great step. Important parts of these capabilities are developed in our center in Tampere, and we are constantly recruiting more engineers in Finland, as we have identified Finland as one of the countries with the best availability of skilled engineers. We invest heavily in R&D in various areas in Finland, and especially we have a dedicated focus on the relationship with the Aalto University, as has been mentioned. And we are now cooperating in 10 research projects in the microwave technologies area, involving 30 people of professors, industrial PhDs, doctoral and master science of students, as well as senior scientists. Our solid presence in Finland is a very good base from which to establish a local ecosystem that will support Gripen and Globaleye in operation, ensuring security of supply throughout the entire life cycle. As you are aware of, Saab's offering for the Finnish HX program comprises of both Gripen EF and Globaleye. And the Gripen EF is on the path now to deliver a world-class system in the most cost-effective manner to Sweden and Brazil. And overall we see a strong market interest in the Gripen, both the Gripen CD but also the Gripen EF. And just recently we handed in an offer to Canada comprising of 88 fighter jets. But as you all know, a great fighter does not alone make a great combat air system. Our airborne early warning and control system, the Globaleye, is the world's most advanced surveillance aircraft. Customer deliveries are ongoing, and we see a strong market interest worldwide. And combining Gripen EF and Globaleye as a force multiplier will definitely protect Finland's people and borders in a solid way, and will constitute a comprehensive situational awareness, as you saw, and a true deterrence effect. The common thread in developing such innovative solutions as these two aircrafts are is that we continuously invest in our people and technology. Annually, Saab spends about 25% of our revenue on research and development, and it is by being at the leading edge and making the investments in future technologies and programs that we are able to ensure that our customers' long-term security interests are upheld. Recently, Saab announced that we are committing to the Future Combat Air Systems program, together with the governments and industries of the UK and Italy, A strong joint partnership around future combat air system will guarantee Gripen EF access to new technology and capabilities going forward and ensure that Gripen is defending our two countries way out to 2060. Existing and future Gripen customers should see the FCAS program as a seal of approval as we together safeguard continuous fighter development within our company. The Finnish-Swedish defense cooperation is deepening. Just recently, our government signed a bill on operational military support between our countries. This rapprochement is of great importance for the security of both nations, citizens and the protection of their borders, and is welcomed by all of us. It is not to exaggerate to say that Finland and Sweden are sister countries, sharing a long history, and even though we compete fiercely against each other when it comes to ice hockey, we respect and honor and cheer for each other in every other way, and also I think when it comes to ice hockey. So just finally, let me wish you a great air show. I'm glad my colleagues and our aircrafts are with you today. A small measure of how important this relationship is to Saab and our future together. So again, thank you all for listening, and back to you, Anders.